Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
The half ruling, the Right Honorable is correct. And I'm sure I'm speaking on behalf of the nation is also proud to hear that the investigation is going to be taken, the committee is going to be from this parliament. Let me say this. The first Deputy Speaker, APM, is so bright and intelligent. And for him to ask the Minister of Justice to say Parliament should do that, he's aware that the one who said the black box is around is here. In here.
Honour member for Mulanje West.
Speaker,
Honour member.
Yes.
Whip, please resume your seat. Honour member, I would like to Honour member, point of order.
No, let me finish.
Honour member.
I have the right to finish. And I didn't mention the name. I have the right to speak. I didn't mention the name of a person. So I have the right to speak and haven't finished. The first Deputy Speaker, I haven't finished.
I will give you the floor. I will give you the floor.
No,
you will continue and finish. Let me guide you this way.
Thank you.
This issue, being such an important issue, I would like to ask the whole House to soberly bring our suggestions, because the job to investigate hasn't yet started. It will start, and we don't want... Can we allow you to finish, and then we'll go to the Zakasina, please?
The first Deputy Speaker, in fact, when the Minister of Justice took the floor, he said a number of several gaps. But the gaps of whether these commission of inquiries they forgot to indicate, maybe these are some of the gaps that the forest was saying it was so thick. And when we went there, it wasn't thick and it was just closer to the road. But also there were some issues that, some issues of saying, in the Commission of Inquiry, we thought the Minister of Justice is going to talk about the report which was supposed to be coming to us in every 4 hours, but we didn't even hear from there. Those are some of the gaps whereby the Committee of Parliament is supposed to look into all these. The first Deputy Speaker, I'm so wondering because I'm getting a lot of smell from the other side because they did ask the very same question, but they're making a lot of noise as if you did ask the question, you better remain quiet. No, we are fed of your smell coming
Honourable
from you.
Member,
the
address the chair.
Speaker,
address the chair, please. I'm
addressing you, the Right Honourable Speaker. This is my 50th time to come here in Parliament. I know the procedures. I'm addressing you, the first Deputy Speaker, but I'm just wondering to people who wanted to blackmail, that they're asking the very same question. In the actual sense, they're just making a lot of noise which is not going to help us. Investigation is investigation. The Minister of Justice has told us that the committee is going to come out from here and is going to be supported by a number of experts. Those who didn't appear in the Commission of Inquiry, they're going to be part of them. Those who did the postmortem, they're going to be part of those. Those who made sure, who went to see why the aircraft was alone and the people were in different directions, they're going to be there. Those who were hiding in the forest and taking pictures, and the one who was at the tower, TNM, is going to come and tell us where this the watchman went, the one who was on the tower, the missing person, where is it? They're going to be here. So there's no problem. We salute you, the first Deputy Speaker, for allowing us to debate on this question and allowing the Minister of Justice to come up and say, we are looking forward to see all these people who might not even go and appear to those people who are going to be summoned. If the committee is not going to come from this Parliament, they are going to be afraid. These commissioners of inquiry who resigned, there are a number of reasons which is going to give us. that why didn't he go and why did he resign? And these who didn't even go to Commission of Inquiry, they're going to come and tell us why didn't they appear? They didn't appear when they were called. So this is the right for committee which is going to ask them. Please stop making noise. If you did ask this question, the Parliament is going to ask. The Parliament is going to call and going to make and is going to form this committee. So nobody, if indeed this one, the one whom we lost, the number of people whom we lost, they are also from your heart that you felt the same. There's nobody who's going to make a noise than the noises which is going to come from this side. Because these people, they were governing, if they were serious enough, they were supposed to look into those issues. If they didn't know, they didn't even do that. They were just lying and cheating at us. Stop, remain quiet and stop making noise here. We are not small here, we are big enough that we can make this decision. Thanks so much, the First Deputy Speaker.
Order, honourable members. Let's resume our seats.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.